How to turn off online status on Facebook Messenger. Here's how. Let's begin with the Facebook. Initially launch the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and click on the Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, select Settings. Now scroll down to Audience and Visibility section and choose Active Status. Here you will see the option Show when you are active. Simply toggle the switch to off to disable your online status on Facebook. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Turn Off to confirm. Now for the Messenger app, return to your home screen and open the Messenger app. Then tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right corner. Next, select the gear icon at the top. Moreover, click on Active Status. Here you will see the same option labeled Show when you are active. Just like on Facebook, toggle the switch off to hide your online status on Messenger. Now select the time period according to your preference and hit pause. There you go. Now you know how to turn off online status on Facebook and Messenger.